just to add a little bit more on that side. Move some stuff over there. And more water. All the way back in there. Really, there goes dripping. That was underneath my soap holder. This is where the damage was before and it gotten wet. I'm already starting to worry about that bubbling a bit there.